It's a freaking cannon right now. It's freaking raining. No, we're not. I don't. No, we need to get inside. Now you're gonna have to scare people. Die! You're gonna have to die all freaking monsters. What we gonna to do? Okay, here I come. I'm gonna just anything non-stop. Freaking pig. Die. This in the socks. Oh, no way. Okay, not it. Okay, I'm coming. Hold on. Wait a second. Fire, pull, Hannibal. Fire. There's a fire alarm. If I prank everybody, be like, there's a fire. I have to pull it. Ooh. Now we're gonna run.
Bueno, falta que entiendas.
But it's so freaking cute. My second broke.
No tiene caso que me lleven la cajota de las pastillas y luego después regresarlas mejor.
Only 25 cents.
Aquí las dejo.
Well, watch this video.
Y me llevo nomás porque nomás me toca una, ¿no?
Videos.
Ajá. ¿Te vendieron las papitas? ¿Ya te has preparado más, verdad? ¿Seguro? ¿Te van a preparar?
What is that? What? It was the fire alarm. That means there's a fire. Oh, people! There's a freaking fire!
Compraban mi ropa y lo están diciendo en rojos.
It's so freaking cute.
No, pero pues
But it makes sense. You have 25 cents. I got 25 cents. Oh well, I'll watch this. Oh well, I watched this. Why is that? What is happening here? Oh no! It's the fire alarm! That means there's a fire! People! There's a fire! Alright. On the road of the toy fire department. Will be a fire here. Is everyone in outside? Let me think a bit. I'm taking a crap during a fire. That's a crab during a fire. That's a first. I think everybody's here. Okay, I'm gonna to go back inside. And you go inside. And you're going to go all the way to Tennessee. I see the fire is. The fire is let's see, there's a fire here. No fire. No fire here. No fire here. No fire here. No fire. No fire here. Wait a minute. That'd be a full zone. Sure. It would be a full zone. Yeah. Wait a second. Are you freaking kidding me? It's a false alarm. No fire here. Oh, yeah, false. Wait a minute. We'll be $100 by tomorrow. Okay, I am back with some news. That was a real fire. Is everyone okay? No, it was not a fire. It is not a good idea to pull the fire alarm. He did it. I catch him, and I cannot find them. It's $500 fine for making this come here for absolutely no reason. Wait, someone has pulled the fire alarm for no reason? Yeah, but it says that's stupid. We're gonna to go to eat now. Now. Oh my God, I just like, whoa, fire! Let's pull the fire alarm again. McDonald will be a fool. I'm gonna have to pull it. Let's this. Oh my God! Are you serious? Fire alarms are going off. Fire alarms are going off again. Who pulled it this time? I want to explain a bit. Next, it was a false alarm. Let's watch my cat video. Ooh. Oh, I like pull the fire alarm. Hey, you stop right there. What? What? Pull the fire alarm. I sit with you. I saw you pull it. No. I work with a PFC. It's a plushy fire. It's a toy fire department. You got it, huh? You need to pay $100,000 fine to trace. No? Too bad, please. You need to pay $500 in time 2. No? Going McDonald's. Hold up, buddy. You pull the fire alarm. You need to pay $100 fine. No. I want to pay him. I told that guy. Too bad the whole fire are in. And you not to pay $1. No, you have to pay your. No. Oh no, I gonna have to tell your father. Huh? No, I'm getting out of here. So, Romeo, what do you like today? Horrible. Yeah, we need to start working. But no, now we need to $1,000. I have my money. No, you have to pay a robot. Robot? No, Romeo. You need to pay it or you're grounded from electronics of your rest of your life. Okay, fine. Oh, I just hate this. That was.